I want to show you something pretty fun to work with. It's a new app that I learned from another channel, Digital Art with Canva. Go look them up. Digital Art with Canva. It's a YouTube channel. Great, great, great tutorials. But this is a fun one. Just go in there and create a design. I just use for this purpose the 2000 by 2000 pixels. And what you want to do is you want to go to your apps, go to the apps right here, and we're going to search. Just type in Skew. It's Skew Images, but just type in Skew. Look at this Skew image. This is so cool. You just click on that, and it's going to bring you up to this right here. Go to your uploads, and we will just upload a photo here. Let's see. Let me see one of my photos. You can upload whatever photo you want, but I was playing around with this one yesterday. This is one of my There's a shark photo. Let's try. Anyway, here we go. Here's one of my stingray photos. All right, you see that? I took that down at Gulf Shores, Alabama. I love nature photography. But you check this one out. This photo right here. Go back to your apps. Hit Skew Image again. And check this out. There's the image right there. All right. Now look at this. You have that right there. Look at that, what you can do with that. Goodness gracious. And then your vertical skew. Before you would need another program to do this. This is why I love Canva. You're going to start, you're not going to, pretty soon you're not going to need any other program but Canva. You know, and this is so fun. So this is what I tried here. Let's do this. I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. Let's see if I can. Now I'm new to this. Like I said, I learned it from Digital Art with Canva. I'm trying to flatten it out there, but you just play around with it. Here we go. Let's try this now. All right. Well, anyway, there we go. You just play around with it, and however you want to do it. Then you're going to hit Add to Design, and it's going to add it to the same photo. So what I'd like to do is I'll duplicate the page, get rid of that. Now, if you go up here, it's still there. All right. You don't have to worry about it disappearing down here. This is the photo that you just skewed. All right. And this is what I like to do. This is what makes it fun. Watch this. And like I said, you can go. I'm going to get rid of this one. There we go. See, and it brings it right back up to what your last design. Okay. You move it whichever way. You could turn it upside down. Now it looks like it's gonna, it's upside down. So you just play around with this. But anyway, here let's try this here. I'm going to flatten that out a little bit. I'm going to darken this background. Okay. Now I'm just going to go to Photos. And I'll go to Recently Used. I toyed around with this yesterday. Let's get this dude right here. All right. Here's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to shorten him up a little bit. Let's get rid of this so you can see it better. Shorten him up a little bit just so I could see. He's going to look like he's coming out of the box. Or coming, standing near the stingray there. All right, here's what you're going to do. I'm going to duplicate him here. Duplicate. We're going to go here. I'm going to throw him down in there like he's standing in it. Watch this, folks. All right. So what you're going to do, you're going to take what you duplicated. I'm sorry about that. Take what you duplicated. And you're going to go right about there. And it's going to look like he's standing in the water. Okay. Check that out. I'm going to look at that. Yeah, look at that. It's so fun. Now you could go further with it. You know, this little part here, duplicate that. And then we'll go even further with it here. A little bit right there. And now you're going to edit this. Come on now. And what we're going to do, let me see. This is the new. Let's see the effects here. What can we do? That's not it. That's not it. Well, you know what? Just for time purposes, let's go to, for now, I'm still learning the new edit photo. So let's go to the old editor. And let's do this here. We're going to, still with that piece right there, we're going to come on down here to liquefy. You know what? Let's do liquefy. We're going to liquefy this dude right here. All right? We're going to melt him. Watch this. See that? And you go in here, and you can scale it however you want. Let's do that right there. It makes it look like he's in the water. You're going to apply that. Then we're going to go up here, and we're going to dim it just a little bit. Make it a little bit transparent. There we go. We got to wait till that melt sets in. But anyway, this is so fun. Digital art with Canva is who I learned it from, and I'll put a link to her in the comments. But watch this. Okay, we're gonna dim it. Go on down a little bit more, just so it looks like he's standing all the way in the water. Check it out. I love it. The stuff that you can do in Canva. It's so fun. Thank you, Canva. That's all I could say is thank you. And if you don't, there's the free version, but it's well worth the pro. The pro version, so much more you can do. And then you can even, let's group this together. Group it all. And then make it as big as you want there. And I'll even take it one step further. I will go up here. Let's get this little guy here. Let's ungroup it. We'll get this here. Now watch this. Let's go back to our skewed image. Come on. I know my laptop's being... Let's go back to this one here. No, you know what? Make it easier. We're going to duplicate that bad boy. edit image. We're going to take the background out of it. We're going to take the background out of it. It'll take a second. So let's do this here. All right. So what we're going to do, let's see. It didn't take it all out. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit erase. If it'll erase. There we go. And we're going to get our big brush going here. And we're just going to get rid of everything. I want this to be a little bit, this stingray to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to get rid of all of that. Then we'll shorten the brush. We will get in a little bit closer. And I'm trying to save time here. I'm trying to hurry up. I don't want to lose anybody's attention here. But this is so fun. It's so fun to create with Canva. You could do a whole lot of stuff. All right, this should be good because it'll blend in. I'm just going to, normally I would just go the full detail around it, but for time purposes, we're going to do this. We'll get rid of as much as we can. That's a little sloppy, but we'll hit done. Got to wait till it resets itself. And here's what we're going to do here. Let's make it a little bit smaller. I appreciate you guys watching and hanging out. I just have so much fun with it. Let's just set him right in there. Just to make it look like it's a giant stingray coming. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that. Let me fix them. Let me get it right here. Here we go. Group it all together. Group. Let's come on down here and show y'all. Check it out. I love it. And I thank you, Digital Art with Canva. Thank you for showing this Skew app. I never knew it was there. But it's just so, so fun. Yeah, check it out. Digital Art with Canva. She has a lot of great tutorials on there. And this is where I learned her, about the Skew app. So I appreciate y'all hanging in there. Appreciate you watching. Please, if you haven't done so, please subscribe. I just love Canva, and I try helping. If I learn something, I'm going to give it to y'all. I'm going to try to do my best to show y'all what it's about. And there's a lot of great tutorials out there from creators, from beginners all the way up to pros, and that's how I learned Canva. YouTube is your best friend. But again, I thank y'all very much. God bless each and every one of you. Please subscribe, and y'all have a great day.